Belt sanders are the unsung heroes of carpentry, transforming rough wood into smooth masterpieces with raw power and precision. This tool is not just about sanding, it is a game changer in the workshop. Ready to discover why every carpenter swears by their belt sander? Let us dive into its role in shaping the craft. Welcome back to Objectified, the channel where everyday objects get their moment in the spotlight. Today, we are exploring the belt sander, a powerhouse tool that has been smoothing surfaces and shaping carpentry for decades. From its origins to its modern innovations, we will uncover how this tool became a workshop staple. We will also dive into its cultural impact, share some surprising facts, and explain why it is essential for anyone serious about woodworking. Stick around for a 25-minute deep dive into the world of belt sanders. And do not forget to hit that subscribe button for more stories about the objects that shape our lives. The belt sander story begins in the early 20th century, a time when carpentry relied heavily on hand tools. Sandpaper existed, but smoothing large surfaces by hand was back-breaking work. In 1926, the Porter Cable Company introduced the first portable belt sander, revolutionizing the trade. This machine used a continuous loop of sandpaper, driven by an electric motor, to remove material quickly and efficiently. Carpenters could now tackle large projects like furniture and cabinetry without hours of manual sanding. The design was simple yet brilliant: a motor, a belt, and a frame to guide it across the wood. This innovation freed up time and energy, allowing craftsmen to focus on creativity and precision. Early models were heavy and bulky, but they laid the groundwork for a tool that would change carpentry forever. Fast forward to the mid-20th century, and belt sanders started getting serious upgrades. Manufacturers like Makita and DeWalt refined the design, making them lighter and more powerful. By the 1960s, variable speed controls allowed carpenters to adjust the sander's aggression for different tasks. Dust collection systems also emerged, addressing the clouds of sawdust that plagued workshops. Today, modern belt sanders are marvels of engineering. Cordless models, powered by lithium-ion batteries, offer unmatched portability. Ergonomic grips and vibration-dampening technology reduce fatigue during long sanding sessions. Some even feature smart sensors to prevent oversanding, ensuring a flawless finish every time. These advancements have made belt sanders versatile, handling everything from rough stock removal to delicate surface prep. Belt sanders are more than just tools. They are symbols of craftsmanship. In carpentry communities, owning a quality belt sander is a badge of honor. It represents a commitment to efficiency and excellence. On YouTube, channels like Essential Craftsman and Frank Howarth showcase belt sanders in action, inspiring millions to pick up woodworking. These tools have also found a place in pop culture. Reality shows like This Old House often feature belt sanders, highlighting their role in home renovation. In makerspaces and DIY workshops, belt sanders empower beginners to turn raw lumber into polished projects. They bridge the gap between amateur and professional, making carpentry accessible to all. Globally, belt sanders are used in traditional woodworking practices, from Japanese joinery to Scandinavian furniture making, proving their universal appeal. Did you know belt sanders can remove material faster than any other handheld sander? A 4-inch by 24-inch belt sander can strip away up to 1/16 of an inch of wood in a single pass. Here is another gem. Belt sanders are not just for wood. With the right belt, they can sand metal, plastic, and even sharpen tools. Ever heard of belt sander racing? In some woodworking communities, enthusiasts modify belt sanders into mini drag racers competing for speed on custom tracks. Surprisingly, belt sanders have a dark side. Improper use can cause gouges or burns in wood, earning them the nickname "furniture destroyers" among novices. Finally, the world's largest belt sander, built by a German manufacturer, measures over 6 feet long and weighs nearly 1,000 pounds. It is used for industrial applications, but it is a testament to the tool's enduring legacy. Belt sanders are the backbone of carpentry, blending raw power with precision to transform rough wood into works of art. From their humble beginnings in the 1920s to today's high-tech models, they have evolved into indispensable tools. Their cultural significance spans DIY workshops to professional studios, inspiring creativity worldwide. Whether you are a seasoned carpenter or a weekend warrior, a belt sander is your ticket to smoother, faster, and better woodworking. The next time you see a perfectly polished table or cabinet, you will know the belt sander played a starring role. If you enjoyed this deep dive into belt sanders, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your woodworking friends. Got a belt sander story or tip? Drop it in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Subscribe to Objectified and hit the bell icon so you never miss an episode. Want to support the channel? Check out our Patreon link in the description for exclusive perks. That is all for today's episode of Objectified. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the world of belt sanders. Until next time, keep crafting, keep creating, and keep objectifying the tools that shape our world. See you in the next video.